Hey guys, how to turn off the keyboard click sounds on iPhone or iPad. First we can disable the sound. Here, sound was disabled. Now we haven't keyboard click sounds, but we haven't all sounds. Notification sounds, phone sounds. And if you want to turn off only keyboard clicks, we need to enter the settings, then find sounds and haptics. Here swipe down and turn off keyboard clicks. But you can't change keyboard click. As a ringtone or text tone, we can turn on or turn off default keyboard sound. And let's check. Now we haven't keyboard clicks, but we have ring sound, notification sound. Thanks for the watching. Good luck and goodbye.